Hi, boys and girls. We're going to hear a story about sounds today. So I need you to have your ears, your eyes, and I'm not sure we'll need the nose, but you never know. And I need you to be able to feel. We're not going to taste, but we are going to use our mouth to make sounds. So that means that we do need our mouth and our tongue and our lips, and we need our brain too to be thinking about this. So I'm going to tell you a story, and I'm going to make some sounds, and we're going to discover how we make those sounds. I love to go to the beach. Do you? Good. And when I'm at the beach, I like to bounce my ball. So here I am in my purple bathing suit, and I am bouncing the ball up and down and up and down, and I'm having a great time. What I didn't see was this little crab right here with his pointy pinchers, and he pokes a little hole in my ball. And then I start hearing this sound as I'm bouncing. I hear this little tiny sound. Can you make that sound? Put your teeth together. See what you can feel? Do you feel a little tiny stream? I do too. It's not a fat stream, but it's a very skinny stream. I wonder what that sound is. Then I turn my voice on, and then I hear like a buzzing, and I look around to see if there's a bee. Well, I'm not sure what the sound is, but I keep bouncing my ball, and pretty soon the hole gets bigger. And instead of hearing "s," I hear "shh." It is a fatter stream of air. Shh. I wonder what's making that sound. Can you make that sound? Shh. Do you see how your lips make a bigger size? Shh. And you can feel more air coming out. Shh. Now, I decide, well, let me see what that sound is, and I turn my voice on. Can you put your hand right here and feel your voice and go, shh? I wonder, where is that sound coming from? Then I keep bouncing my ball, and something happens. The hole gets even bigger. And I start to hear ch, 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 like ch, ch, ch. It's not a stream of air anymore. It's not a skinny stream. Zzz. It's not a fat stream. Shh. Zzz. It's well, it is fat, but it puffs out, almost like I'm pushing it. Do you see like puffs of air? Can you make that sound? Feel the puffs of air on your hand. Then put your hand up to your throat and see if you can turn your voice on. Ch, j, j, j. It's a fat push sound, isn't it? Now, we've just made a lot of sounds, so I'd like you to either watch the video again or see if you can practice the sounds. Let's review. There's a s. That was that tiny hole. S. And then we turned our voice on. Zzz. Good. Then the hole got bigger, and it sounded like this. Shh. isn't it? A fatter air sound. Shh. Turn your voice on. Shh. Good. Then the hole got even bigger. And I think my ball started running out of air by now because it went ch, ch, ch. Can you do that? Ch, ch, ch. Now turn your voice on. J, j, j. Good job. Now see if you can look around the house and either find pictures or objects that begin with that sound. That one's pretty easy because I can think of sand, but we don't usually have sand at the house. What about a sun? There's lots of things that start with S. Okay? So, boys and girls, think about those sounds, practice the sounds, and then go find things that begin with that sounds. Thank you, boys and girls. Bye.